Your local AI model is a brain without hands. It can't search the web. It can't open a browser. It can't touch GitHub. Today, we give it hands. This is MCP, the Model Context Protocol. Free, private, and offline. Part 4 of our LM Studio series.
Model Context Protocol. One standard, so any tool plugs into any AI app. Your local model is the brain. The host, LM Studio or Cline, runs the tools. The servers are the hands, web search, browser automation, and GitHub.
With mcp, your model reads your code, then searches, browses, and ships.
First, add servers in LM Studio. Open the Program tab on the right. Click Install, then edit mcp.json. Paste the web search server, then the Playwright server. Save the file, and LM Studio loads them automatically. One process per server.
Now the model has tools.
Time to use them. Ask the model to search the web. Watch the tool call appear. LM Studio shows a confirmation dialog, so you decide. Allow once, always allow, or deny. The model searches live engines and answers with sources. Knowledge cutoff. Gone.
Your local model can now read the internet.
Next, real browser automation. In Cline, the Playwright server is connected. Ask the agent to open the app and test the buttons. It navigates, clicks, and reads the console. No vision model needed. It uses the page structure instead. The test passes. Your agent just tested real software.
Now the repository. Add the GitHub MCP server with Docker and a personal access token. Keep that token secret. Then ask the agent to list open issues. It calls list issues and shows the results. 60+ tools. Issues, pull requests, releases.
Your agent can work the whole repository.
Here's the full workflow. One task. Search the docs. Write the code. Test it in a real browser. Ship it with a pull request. All with one local model. No API keys, no cloud, no subscription. Watch the context counter. Tool results add tokens, so keep tasks focused.
One warning before you go. LM Studio's official docs say it clearly. Never install MCP servers from untrusted sources. Some can run arbitrary code and access your files. Every tool call passes through you. Review it, then allow.
If a model can call a tool, treat it like production code. Which model can call tools? Check the model card for function calling. On 16 gigs, GPT-OS-S20B is trained for tool use. For agents, Qwen3 Coder 30B with 256K context, and raise the context from 8K.
Tool results eat tokens fast.
Speed and fixes. 20+ tokens per second feels fluid. If NPX is not recognized, install Node and restart. If mcp.json won't save, edit the file directly. If Cline ignores your config, use the right file. 3 fixes, seconds each.
There it is. MCP gives your local AI hands. Program tab, add servers, connect Cline, pick a tool model, and approve every call. Web search, browser, GitHub. Free, private, offline. Like, subscribe, and comment. Next, Cline Memory Bank, so your agent remembers your project.